Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change the left paddle keybind on your Logitech G Pro steering wheel. So first, let's start off by going into the Logitech G Hub app on our PC. Make sure that the steering wheel is connected, and whenever you turn it, then the angle here changes the degrees. So now what you guys want to do is go over to the dual clutch paddle settings, and here we will have the left paddle. Here we can change it to gas, for example. So now whenever I press the left one, so this one right here, now let me do it, and as you guys can see, the gas goes up. And that's basically how you guys can change it. You guys can also customize it to anything else like axis A or B, or the handbrake, clutch or brake. So for example, if you want the gas and the brake on the other one, then you guys can do it. As you guys can see, now I'm pressing the right one, it's the brake, and now the left one, and it's the gas. So here you guys can basically play like that. Now stop, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.